Hello everyone and welcome to this simple tutorial video here, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial to how to save PowerPoint file to your flash drive. So I'm going to give you two methods, quick and simple. So let's do it. First of all, insert your flash drive on your PC. I'm going to do it right now, and as you can see my flash drive is inserted. The first method is just simply click the PowerPoint file and Control C, that is the copy command, and go to this PC and select your flash drive. This is my flash drive. Select it and just paste it here and double click it to make sure that your copy is done correctly. And this is the first method you can do it. And the second method is go to the PowerPoint file again, double click it to open, and here go to the file option on left corner, and here select save as, select browse, and just scroll down, and on your left side you can see your flash drive. Select that and give it a name. I'm going to give it a name PowerPoint, and just select save, and your PowerPoint file is saved. To confirm it, go to this PC again and select your flash drive and see if the file is there or not, and my file is there. So I'm done with saving the PowerPoint file. So this is the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.